Okay, tuples. Tuples are basically also types of sequences, but these are also objects which can hold different types of data. The main difference from a tuple and a list is these are immutable. So these are very similar to lists, but once it is created, you cannot change or add contents to your existing tuple. So the representation is also a little bit different. So you'll have your variable, which is referenced to a tuple, is equal to regular parenthesis, item 1, comma, item 2, and so on and so forth. So tuples support some operation as lists as well. So subscript indexing for retrieving elements, that's also the same. So index, square bracket, and then your element name, which will be resulting into the position of your element. That is the same. Methods such as index is also same. Built-in functions such as len, min, and max also work on this one. Slicing expressions work. The n plus, that is a concatenation, and the repetition operators work the same as lists. So the following methods which are not applied on tuples are append, remove, insert, reverse, and sort. As append is basically adding elements to your sequence, as tuple is an immutable sequence, you cannot do that. You cannot remove or you cannot add any elements to your sequence, especially when it's a tuple. You cannot reverse or you cannot sort the elements of your tuples as well. So basic advantages of using tuples over lists is processing is faster than processing lists. Tuples are safe, so even by mistake, no one can change the contents of your sequences. Some operations in Python require the use of tuples. So that is also like they require the standard usage of tuples. So that is also one of the reasons why it is important. So list function will convert a tuple to a list, and tuple function will convert a list to a tuple. So let's say this is a number tuple, that is 1, 2, 3. Number list is list of number tuple. Now when you print, this is your output. Same thing with string list, and you're converting that to a tuple string, then you will see a string with tuples. Okay, so with that, we are done with tuples. Now the next topic is plotting data with matplotlib. That is a new library that we are going to install. That will be in the next video.